Dear students, today I am going to discuss a very important topic of solution chapter, that is representation of concentration by molarity, normality, formality, mole fraction and molality. Molarity is denoted by capital M, normality is denoted by capital N, whereas formality denoted by capital F and molality is denoted by small f. So let's start. First, molarity. What is molarity? The moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution is called molarity, and molarity always denoted by capital M. Okay, and what is moles? Moles means the given mass of any substances in gram upon molar mass of any substance is called its moles. So molarity equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution. For any chemical reaction, what is molarity? Suppose the reaction is N1A plus N2B gives M1C plus M2D. Let molarity of A and B in the solution are M1 and M2 respectively. Then the relation is M1V1 upon N1 equal to M2V2 upon N2, where what is V1 and V2? V1 and V2 are the volume of solutions of A and B, and we describe the molarity in mole per liter. Another topic, normality. What is normality? The number of gram equivalent of solute. The number of gram equivalent of solute dissolved in per liter of solution is called normality, and normality is denoted by capital N. N equal to number of gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in ml. Okay, gram equivalent is always differ, that is in mainly acids, that is H2SO4. In acids, the releasing of hydrogen gives in acids basicity, in bases acidicity. The basicity of H2SO4, because H2SO4 loses 2 hydrogen, so the basicity of hydrogen is 2. In HNO3, we know in HNO3 only 1 hydrogen released by nitric acid, so the basicity of HNO3 is 1. In HCl also 1. In case of bases, NaOH 1 hydroxyl group release, so its acidicity is 1. In KOH the acidicity is 1. In magnesium hydroxide 2. Okay, this is the acidicity and basicity which is used in measuring the equivalent weights. The next topic cover in next lecture. Thank you. Students, formality, in which formality is denoted by capital F. And what is formality? The number of gram formula mass of solute dissolved in per liter of solution is called formality, and formality is denoted by capital F, where F equal to number of gram formula mass of solute upon volume of solution in ml. If solution present in ml, so we multiplied by 1000 here, so formality equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into V. Why we use 1000? Because we know very well 1 liter equal to 1000 ml or milliliter, where WB equal to mass absolute, MB equal to gram formula mass absolute, and V equal to volume of solution in ml. And what is molar volume? molar volume of solution is the volume of solution occupied per mole of solvent and solute both. So molar volume equal to 1000 upon Na plus Nb ml per mole. Our next topic is molality. What is molality? The number of moles of solute dissolved in per kg of solvent. It is always remember that in molality the moles dissolved in per kg of solvent. Let WA gram of solvent contains NB moles of solute in the solution, then molality, how can we calculate? Molality small m equal to NB upon WA into 1000, where NB equal to WB upon MB, means mass of solute upon molar mass of solute. Then M or molality equal to WB multiplied by 1000 upon MB multiplied by WA. This is molality and formality. And our next representation of concentration of solution is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? We can define mole fraction: the ratio of number of moles of one component of solution by the total moles of all components in the solution is called mole fraction. Let us consider the example of binary solution having two components A and B. If A equal to solvent and B equal to solute, then moles of solvent Na equal to Wa upon Ma and moles of solute equal to Wb upon Mb. Then mole fraction of solvent Xa equal to Na upon Na plus Nb equal to moles of solvent upon total number of moles, and mole fraction of solute Xb equal to Nb upon Na plus Nb, means moles of solute upon total number of moles. So we can say that mole fraction equal to moles of one component present in total moles of solution. These are different representation of concentration in any solution. In next lecture we learn the different numericals, solve how we solve all questions with simple tricks or formulas. Thank you.